Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell below to get notified whenever I upload any new videos. And if you have already subscribed, thanks for supporting. So today we are doing my favorite, which is the coconut candy, the Nigerian way. If you want to know how I made this coconut candy, please keep watching. For the coconut candy, I'll be using few items. I'll be using 2 coconuts, sugar, water. This empty cup is for me to store my coconut juice later. What I did was to break the coconut and I removed the meat from the shells and I washed my coconuts. This is the juice I removed from the coconuts. I will also need a bowl and a box grater. Now I'm just going to grate the meat into smaller pieces using the medium side of the box grater. This is the size we need. I'm going to transfer the grated coconut into a pot. I added the coconut juice and I also added water to the same level as the grated coconut. Now I am adding my sugar. I'm going to stir it a little. Cover the pot and set to boil at a high heat. Once the contents start boiling, stir continuously. I'm still going to cover it to let it boil for some minutes. I'm going to reduce the heat now and keep stirring. Keep stirring until the sugar caramelizes and the content starts sticking together. The coconut will start turning golden brown. Keep stirring until everything is completely brown. Our coconut candy is ready. You can serve it as snacks. You can also store it in the fridge for 1 month.